Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna show you the top 8 basic uses of Microsoft Excel. Now we will start with how to get the average. Now to get the average, have to lighten all the scores, click AutoSum and click average. You just have to repeat this to all the scores of the students. There we go. That's how you get the final average. In this one, I'm going to show you how to format your cells. Now you just have to lighten up all your cells. Click Format Cells. If you want to fill it up with, let's say, cream, now that will fill up. If you want your cells to have border, you have to click Border, press Outline, press this, and OK. Now your cell have borders. Next, I'm going to show you how to do a what-if analysis. You have to press Data, press What If Analysis, click Goal Seek, press the final grade, its value, passing grade which is 75, then changing cell, click the third, press OK. That's how you do a what if analysis. Next, I'm going to show you how to create a chart in Excel. Now you have to highlight all this data of yours, you have to press Insert, then you can pick in here the charts you want to use. Now you can pick either pie or line or column. I want a 3D column. There you go. Now you can see a chart of this data. Now I'm going to show you how to sort data. Now these names are random, not alphabetically. Now if you want to sort it, you have to highlight it all, press data, then press sort. Now you can sort this Z to A or A to Z, whatever you like. Now press OK. Now you can see that the names are now sorted. In this one, I'm going to show you how to special format and export the table. Press Format, Format Cells, press Date, choose this. You have to highlight all the data, the table, Control C and Control V on the Word. Next, I'm going to show you the process of cost-benefit analysis. Now, to get the NPV, you need this formula. There is a discount rate, and then the same NPV and NPV here are the same. To get the IRR, this is the formula. That's how you do a cost-benefit analysis. Lastly, I am gonna teach you how to consolidate your data. Now, highlight this overall, press consolidate, then this reference is this, highlight it, add it to your reference. If you have more reference, for example in sheet 3, you have to highlight it, press add, then press OK. Now all the datas are in here added together. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. If you learned anything about Microsoft Excel, please smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, if you need more tutorial, you can visit my YouTube channel. There will always be tutorials in there. Now, that's it for now. Bye!